Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And then today I'm gonna make one really simple cocktail and then you can make it really easily at home. Let's see the ingredients first. So Berlin Mule, 2 oz of Yegarmeister, 1.5 oz of lime juice, and on the top ginger beer. So I'm gonna make it on this glass today. Let's take some ice first. I'm taking some ice, 2 ounces of Yegarmeister. Alright, it's done now. And I'm gonna use fresh lime in here. Last but not least, the ginger beer. The best ginger beer ever. Yeah. Ginger beer. Stir to get ready. My girl is lying good. Fantastic. This is a very simple and delicious cocktail, Berlin Mule. Cheers! You can't believe how delicious it is. So you can make it at home, very simple one.